I like weeds.
Yes, they're easy to grow.
Not at all. You have to keep the flowers out, defend the strong against the weak. You know, a garden should be like a country lane, a place you can walk in. Not one of those things with flower beds laid out like a cemetery.
I agree. Why did you send for me?
The thistles.
I beg your pardon?
I've got a lot of thistles. They attract butterflies. You should see this place in the summertime.
That's a goose. That's 2 geese. Don't get many gooses around here. Looking good, isn't it? Looking good. Cook some of that today, and I'll take some cuttings. Some good plants to be had there. Look at that. Make a good plant, that will. There's nothing better than popping in the garden in the morning, having a mooch about, is there? Bar from the fashion. Absolute state. Some more for cuttings. These are a bit hardier, they've been out all winter. First time. I hope you enjoyed that. I do like a warts and all garden tour. I was actually watching a bird here have a bird bath in an old washing up bowl, but by the time I got the camera out, it'd gone. I also bought one of these cheap hoses and didn't realise that you actually have to assemble them before you plug them in and put water through it. So I had to unroll all of that and basically do it properly. There you go, folks. Finally emptied it out. That's as much as I'm taking out of here now. Ooh. Get the spade in to show you. The white line there, the goalpost is level. So I've had at least a foot out, and the entire width and length. And that is gone in there. There's an L-shaped row of potatoes. Don't know if you can see because of the sun. There. And it's filled up every pot. That pot, that pot, that pot, that pot, that pot, that pot. The two over there. That pot, 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 that pot. Yeah, you get the idea. I'm absolutely pooped. But once again, all the bindweed, all the nettles, all the docks, all the mint, all the raspberry canes, tree branches, it all goes in there. It all gets composted. And it turns into that lovely stuff. Look at it. Right, I'm pooped, going for a brew. So I don't have a heated greenhouse, nor do I have big bay windows or a conservatory. So if it's get cold snaps that we've had lately, I can't really start seeds outside. So what I do like to do is start them in takeaway containers or any plastic pot. Just pop the seeds in onto some wet tissue paper, very wet tissue paper, or some wet kitchen towel, whatever you've got lying about. Put your seeds in, put them in a warm spot, near some light. These are actually behind the TV at our house where the light from the window catches. And yeah, within a few days, you have little sprouts. And they can stay in there for a little bit, but not too long, you know. Once they start sprouting up, you got a day or two and that's it. And then you need to pot them up. And obviously that's very simple. Just get some scissors out. If it's stuck, cut the tissue paper. Be very careful and gentle with them. And it's absolutely perfect. It's honestly a really good way of doing it if you haven't got these heated greenhouses and conservatories and stuff. And as you can see from here, almost every single one is taken. And at the time of making this video, they're another 3 or 4 inches taller now. How do? So let's look at the date today. It's May the 7th. It's absolutely freezing cold. Well, it's not freezing. I think it's about 7 degrees. So it's cold enough. It's cold enough. Thought I'd come down the plot to have a look. Because obviously it's bank holiday weekend just gone. And it's the end of bank holiday week, as it were. And I haven't been down since the skip was down because I had some plastic drawers that I wanted to put in there and some old bits of chicken wire, because the fence between my plot and my neighbour's plot has been up there years. Someone put it up years ago, and the guy said we could take it down, which is awesome. He's going to build a pallet fence, which is really cool. And then I had some old wood, so I put some old chicken wire and some old wood in there. So yeah. Ooh, excuse me, got a bit of a dewdrop condensation. So yeah, I've got to take some recycling to the tip. Can't do that today because I haven't got the car. But other than that, I'm getting there. Oh, my mountain cornflowers are up. Have a look. There's a squirrel. You see him? He stopped dead in his tracks. So yeah, nettles have got to be pulled out. Fruit cage is doing all right. Raspberritos. Last of the bluebells. I got my thistles. They attract butterflies. You know I'm going to do that all year now, don't you? Apologise. More raspberries. Apples are doing well. More raspberries. More mountain cornflowers. I believe they're loganberries. Now, That's a black currant. And in there should be a yacon, but I won't know until I pulled all the nettles out. Oh, a guy's got his pallets for his pallet fence. That'll be cool. Now, I'm hoping I left some gloves down here, so I was going to pull some nettles, but if I haven't got the gloves, I can't do it. So I'll get stung to hell, because my gloves have currently got a hole in. Oh. Rhubarb's in flower. This one can go to flower. Never smells very nice, but I always think it's looked quite pretty. Oh, more potatoes. They're coming along, aren't they? They're coming along lovely. Absolutely lovely. Do your potatoes look like that? I bet they don't. I bet they don't. Have I left? Yes, I've left gloves. I can pull nettles today. It's nettle pulling day to make fertilizer. To make this stuff. It absolutely stinks, but it's free fertilizer for the garden. Oh, that's doing all right actually. I was worried about that. That's doing all right. Tulips are done now though. Oh, I've got one down there, but it's being taken over by a thistle. I like thistles. They attract butterflies. Ha ha! My nan's rose has come out. Look at that. Look at the colours on that. That is popping, isn't it? No filter there. It's my nan's rose. Bought it there for anniversary. Well, Nan and Grandad. There you go. And it's got a random lily in there. And a squirrel. That is a beautiful poppy. I haven't got many poppies this year. Lemon balm's out, as it always is. Got some apples on there. That'll be good. Should we see if we can see the yacon? I think I said I'm letting my asparagus go to seed this year. It's having a rest. It's having a rest. There might be a yacon in there. There might be, but I need to pull the nettles out first. Right. Quick tour. Everything's growing. Potatoes that got nipped have come back. Brilliant. There's me gloves. And the grapevine is looking good. Oh, look at them. Look at them. Gonna have some grapes this year, hopefully. Right. Time to do some jobs.
I wish to defect, but there must have a begun. I'm a peasant at heart, and I want to grow roses in my old age.
In England, roses are out. Weeds are in.